what's going on, y'all? Jimmy Malcolm. It's time for episode 1 of season 3, the season premiere of Sons of Anarchy. Last we saw, Gemma is on the run. Jax's kid got taken by crazy-ass Michael, whose kid got killed by Stahl, who framed Gemma for not only the kid's murder, but for not framed her for Princess Nazi murder. She did kill Princess Nazi. Super Nazi was killed by Jax. It was a fantastic finale. That felt like an event. I'm officially in love with this show. Anyway, let's get to it.
Hello. Shit. Jax.
Oh, Jesus.
Check your boy. Got some info on Abel. Leroy. Found a guy made some ID for Cameron. Hey.
Cameron, what I call it, Michael?
Hey, kiss Abel for me. Tell my boys I love them.
Absolutely. Talk later, right?
What can you do in that situation?
Right.
I know you guys can play a hard time. He's deserted him to this point, but you gotta lie.
You done good, sweetheart. You really stepped up. You're the best thing that happened to Jax. We're all so glad you're around.
I'm shocked. I'm shocked.
Please, don't complicate it, okay? It's simple. You don't belong here.
Jesus. He's going through it. Rightfully so. What do? You just leave? It's been however long it's been. He ain't over it yet. Poor Tara.
Next week, this glorious empire is gonna be all yours. Until then, Sparky, keep your uptight ass out of my sandbox.
We're waiting outside.
Morning. Have a seat. Enjoy your debriefing.
I know she framed Gemma, and she's not been fully forgiven. However, I still thoroughly enjoy seeing her on screen.
Gotta be something.
Oh, Jesus. Depressing ass episode so far. Get on fucking camera. Oh.
Check it out. It's totally gone, man.
I got this. Here we go.
Damn.
Irish dude? Yeah. 3 days ago, he said he needed some quick cash. Met him down at the docks, bought the boat, some AKs. He told us where to find the car, but he ain't no kid with him now.
Jesus, this is depressing. I'm assuming gonna find this fucking kid, but this is a depressing watch.
You stay away from my family.
Hey, Tara.
Anything happens to my grandson, anything, I promise you, I'm gonna shove a gun barrel up that bony ass ears and I'm gonna blow your black heart out.
I buy it. I completely fucking buy it. She buys it too.
Oh, shit. Help!
my god.
You steal my car, bitch?
No, I'm the valet, shithead.
I'll kill you.
Oh!
Are you out of your goddamn mind?
Yes. I had to warn you.
My brain never stops. Why am I here? You know, should I be here? Am I afraid to stay, afraid to go, afraid to be a mother? Shit, it's endless. I drive myself crazy. I wasn't supposed to leave. I belong here.
That's a good speech. Aww. That was goddamn beautiful.
It's Gemma.
Oh, my God. My baby girl.
Yeah.
Aww.
I didn't mean to bite your head off earlier. I'm sorry.
Aww.
I was hoping to jump too small at Charter.
You thinking about coming back to Charming?
Yeah. Gonna put in a request to transfer next church.
That ends on tape, bro. We'll make it happen.
Did he go? Did he? Jesus! I want to know what his beef is. I know his name yet. He's still Lem from The Shield to me.
Either Abel is dead, and you want revenge, or he's alive, and you would kill to find him. Now, if you can't make that decision, then you better get down on your hands and knees and pray for something to get you there. Fast.
It's a good speech. Got a couple good speeches this goddamn episode. What the fuck happened to fucking Jax's dad?
Old Alibaba, these are different species. Nobody loves me here. Nobody loves me here. Dad's gonna kill me.
Better not be fucking Jimmy.
Before anybody sees you, get that child out of town.
Oh, Trixie!
Nobody loves me here. Nobody loves me here. Dad's gonna kill me. Dad's in a bad mood. Dad's got the blues.
Oh shit!
Someone else
What the fuck's going on?
I didn't choose.
Really?
Come back! I'm the one that cried. I got to go back. But then we showed him to you and to a side. It's gonna kill me.
Oh shit! He's dead. Jesus, he's dead. Oh, Jax. Let's see what goes on.
You'll see. You speak, double speak. It's gonna kill me.
All right, that was episode 1 of season 3 of Sons of Anarchy. Where to begin? First things first, that's a hell of a way to start the season. Hale gets murdered. A casualty in, I don't know, somebody gunning for the Sons. First of all, that was a horrific death. I know I complained about the lack of horror in Super Nazi and Princess Nazi's death. However, I mean, I want everybody to die awfully. Ugh, that was rough on Hale. And I felt like him and the chief had a little moment there, and him and his brother seemed to be on relatively decent terms. I should have known something was coming. He's about to take the big job, and he gets got. One would imagine, Unce is going to stay on now. One would imagine Hale's brother will not be pleased with the Sons. He was already not pleased with the Sons. And once he becomes mayor, you would imagine that he will do his best to take them out. Not because he doesn't like them, but he has to at some point blame them, on some level rather, blame them for his brother's death. He was gunned down at essentially a son's funeral. That's a rough one. I love Tara. She's grown on me so much. She's a super soldier of the highest order. Service is appreciated. That's number 1. Number 2, same thing goes for Gemma. Don't know where the stigma for dad is going to go, but I guess I'm here for it. I felt for Jax this episode a lot. The kid's a rough situation. and he's not doing the greatest job holding it together. But in the end, he gets to keep Tara because of a great speech from her. The crew is behind him, and it appears that Clay is behind him. Now I can't tell if Clay is. I don't think he's manipulating. He is manipulating him, but that has such a negative connotation. Clay is giving it to Jax the way he honestly and truly feels it needs to be done. That in mind, it also benefits Clay to have Jax be the guy he wants. So, not manipulating, but you know what I mean. Pushing him in what he believes to be the right direction. Stall just doesn't learn. Maybe she learns and doesn't give a fuck. I'm here for it. She got Donna killed. Fuck it. She got a baby killed. Or captured at least. Fuck it. Just keep doing what you're doing. Straight ahead we go. I'm here for Stall. I know you all hate her guts. I understand and I agree. I hear you 100%. But I don't want to hear it. Sorry. What a great opening episode. Though a bit of a downer, if I'm going to be completely honest. What's going to happen to Jax? I mean, he did kill a guy who killed a cop, essentially. I would imagine the cops would be hesitant to press the charges, though there are a lot of witnesses. The mayor's going to be pushed for something, you think. I don't like that at all. We'll see. Post your comments down below. Like, share, subscribe. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Jimmy Malcolm. It's time for episode 2 of season 3 of Sons of Anarchy. Hale is dead. Accidentally murdered. He got ran the fuck over, then ran over. And then Jax went to work on the one they caught. Ugh. Let's get to it. I love that guy.
Say them fast, cousin. We need to talk.
That's Mormon.
Never should have made that deal with the AB. Just thought, knowing Jimmy's plan for pushing out the Sons.
Jimmy doesn't make those decisions. You killed him.
Gemma.
I know.
That's gotta be so fucking
Can
sad.
I get you breakfast?
Jesus.
No, not a moron. Coffee too strong. Next time you let your mother make it.
Thank God, get me out of this. It's so fucking depressing.
I need you to, put
How
this
long has it
through.
been? Her eyes still fucked up so
Leave
bad.
of absence? All the paperwork is there. For how long? 6 months?
God damn.
My actions against you were not personal. I was protecting this hospital. Same reason I'm telling you to rethink the leave. St. Thomas needs good surgeons.
Maybe Hillary's gonna grow on me. I don't want to know her real name. I don't care to know it. Hillary works for me.
We got it covered.
Cut off my fingers! Oh my God! They cut off my goddamn fingers! Hey! I told you to have them all removed, but they did! They took my thumbs, John! They took my thumbs!
I love Chucky.
Me too.
You go do your thing.
Yeah.
You take care of yourself, Mom.
Always.
It's gotta hurt lying to her. But you're doing the right thing. I think. I'm all the way sold on it.
Let's go visit the crazy red-headed rattlesnake.
You got any idea how expensive Tiki's inhalers are, huh? The albuterol?
Precious, I sent you $1,000.
Did you really just say the check is in the mail?
I won't Precious!
We need your old man to help me find my kid. He's missing.
Probably should have led with that. That's hilarious. Well, these one step looking motherfuckers.
Guys have had a tough run.
Hey, other guy.
Condolence.
I'll let you handpick your successor. You protect your department, we both protect the town.
I would need that in writing, and you can't give it to me.
Even
right.
if I'm the devil, it wouldn't be the first time you shook my hand, Wayne.
That's a great goddamn line.
Take half your day pay for running intel on Cameron Hayes, a.k.a. Timothy Odell. The other half of the cash, throw to Precious and the kids. Deal.
You're a good dude.
Well, I I hope that's the Guatemalan hottie in there, not my dad.
Nah, yeah. Okay. I mean, Nate's a very handsome man, but not my Ben.
Tig's a mess. Cares? You know all this. Oh my god. Opie! Focus! And don't get upset. Extra upset.
Drop it. Get out. I got him.
Yeah, wait.
Sorry.
Apology accepted, I guess. Motherfucker! Apology not accepted.
Marty!
Get hit by a car.
Damn hybrids. Dangerous.
Easy, darling, easy. I'm having a rough day with the lady.
Luisa!
Oh, shit! Oh! That's not playing games today.
Enough. We'll take him the whole. Finish this.
I'm a French president.
I don't recognize your bullshit, MC.
Go on, sweetheart.
It was both political and ridiculous. The chair does not recognize this MC.
Dad? Soup's almost ready.
Oh, he's gonna take his fucking his wife. Fuck. Does Tara know not to tell Gemma?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What was that?
Shit. I'll call you back.
Oh my god.
Shot me, the crazy old
I
prick.
thought it was Rose.
What is it?
Holy shit, Dad.
What?
Here.
Oh, God. What did I do? Oh, God.
Jesus, what fucking day. Tig took it like a champ.
I'll just use a little lube.
Sorry.
What? What?
Searchers intel.
We miss anything?
Just about to get started. You want first crack at the pinata?
Yeah.
I don't recognize your MC.
Why's Alvarez patching you over? Get this pendejo out of the hole. He's going home.
Look at you.
Doing a little research?
Look, whatever you did, it's none of my business. I'm just here to do my job.
She gonna get that reward money, man.
The reward's been up to 25 grand.
Gun's empty, sweetheart. Go ahead. Pull the trigger. With this one. Let's go. My greedy little guati. Go on.
Jesus. Gemma's awesome. Gave it a complete okie doke. Left the gun right there. Gemma's awesome.
Tell you taking a leave of absence.
I was gonna tell you.
The beating you put on your boss? You can tell me about that too.
She didn't snitch.
We need to finish this conversation.
Love that. They grow up so fast. Jesus.
Track station in Rockland.
Timothy Odell and Infant bought a one-way ticket to Vancouver.
It's gotta be a fucking load off. This is strangely heartwarming. Though she's really attached to this baby, it's concerning me. But she seems to be super down for the cause. Alright, that was episode 2, of season 3 of Sons of Anarchy. Where to begin? First things first, I didn't think Cameron would go out like that. That was on the rougher side. Did you ever get to find out that Gemma didn't kill his kid? I mean, yeah. I mean, at this point, I guess it doesn't matter. You're dead, you're dead. Unless you believe in all that stuff. That's rough. It's kind of tragic? I don't know if that's the right word or not, but unfortunately, this does not solve any of our problems. It doesn't get Jackson any closer to the baby, though that may be taken care of by the Irish. We heard they were heading that way when they were speaking. We now have a renewed beef with the Mayans. And renewed is strong. Reignited, reinvigorated is probably the best word. It's always been there, but now we're going to ramp it up again, it looks like. Unless Clay can make some type of truce, which looks to be the plan. Bobby is very concerned about Jax. I would be concerned about Jax, except I like the route Jax is going. Definitely become, it looks like a younger version of Clay. Clay's right hand, if you would. Because his hands hurt. Anyway. I got a feeling he'll go back to, maybe not knowing when he gets the kid back, but he's got to cool out a little bit. We know most is brought on by anger and sadness and deep depression and a general unsureness about what's going on with his kid. But now he knows his kid's alive, and eventually he'll get him. Vancouver. Did I hear that right? Shit, who's talking? It's not important. But Jimmy's plan is to move the Suns out? That's the plan. At some point? I can see that. There's so many moving pieces going on. It's like we're continuing to add pieces to the table for getting rid of the pieces that we already have. Like the Mayans have been around from the first episode, and that has not been resolved in the least. The Irish, ATF. So one I'm forgetting. It's gonna bother me. All right, and now we've got Hale's brother, who says he wants to help if we could do this, but we know this cocksucker has got plans. Tig wastes no time, by the way. It's hilarious. And Gemma is amazing, as per always, been my favorite character from the start. She continues to impress. Anything else? I don't think so. It was a really good episode. I love the show. I said it once, I'll say it again. Anyway, post your comments down below. Like, share, subscribe.